From staying hydrated to ensuring a good night's sleep under the stars, preparation is key when gearing up for your next bikepacking trip. In this video, we'll explore some of the ultimate bikepacking gear that will enhance your experience, making your journey safer, smoother, and a whole lot more fun. So grab your bike, and let's get ready to explore. Gear up and hit the trails with the Aeroe BikePack, designed to unlock new levels of versatility and convenience. This groundbreaking backpack system will take your biking experience to the next level. This bikepack system has a quick mount and release action, eliminating all the cumbersome gear arrangements. It has a lightweight yet rugged design that ensures you can conquer any terrain without feeling weighed down. With the patent-pending system, you get not just one, but 7 separate products tailored specifically for the needs of bikepackers. From the handlebar mount to the rear mount, seat post mount, fork mount, and rugged backpacks, this bikepack has got you covered. Customize your setup to suit your adventure and carry your gear with ease. You must monitor your every move when you're embarking on an off-road escapade, taking an unknown route, or tackling the urban jungle. That's where the Hammerhead Karoo 2 comes in. It's a reliable option for cycling enthusiasts. It packs advanced technology into a compact size and enhances every aspect of your ride. The Karoo 2 features the industry's highest definition screen, providing unmatched clarity and visibility, even in bright sunlight. With its predictive path technology and advanced mapping and navigation capabilities, you can easily explore new routes and find your way. Its constant software evolution adds new features and capabilities so that you always have access to the latest functionalities. Embark on daring escapades beyond the reach of cellular networks with the Garmin inReach Messenger. This compact satellite communicator breaks barriers and keeps you connected to your loved ones through global two-way text messaging, no matter how far off the grid you roam. This device pairs with the Garmin Messenger app and seamlessly switches between satellite and cellular networks, defying boundaries and staying connected when traditional means fail. No more wondering if your message was delivered into the abyss. The on-device display of the Garmin inReach Messenger provides instant confirmation, putting your mind at ease and letting you know your important messages have reached their destination. With the Garmin inReach Messenger, your adventures can stretch for up to an awe-inspiring 28 days before needing a recharge. Prepare to have your expectations shattered with the groundbreaking Telos TR10 by Sea to Summit. Designed for the adventurous duo, these 2-person freestanding tents redefine the possibilities of ultralight backpacking gear. This unique design raises the tent's shape upward, providing ample head and shoulder space. Setting up camp has never been easier. With the Telos TR tent, you'll find a color-coded ultra-strong lightweight DAC NSL 2-hub pole set and quick connect pole feet, making the setup process a breeze. Crafted with longevity and superior waterproof performance in mind, the tent utilizes premium materials. You can rely on its durability and resilience, even in the harshest conditions. Embrace your outdoor adventures with confidence, knowing that your shelter is built to withstand the elements. Unleash the true spirit of bikepacking with the awe-inspiring ROCKBROS bike phone bag. This bag is meticulously crafted from composite carbon polyester material and boasts remarkable qualities such as being waterproof, corrosion-proof, and highly resistant to abrasions. Navigate the trails with precision and style, courtesy of the Sensitivity TPU touchscreen. Its 0.3mm TPU film provides extreme sensitivity and clarity, allowing you to use your cell phone while conquering the trails effortlessly. It mounts easily and securely with its 3 adjustable straps. Plus, the bag has a 1.5-liter capacity, which lets you carry more. The most interesting thing is the bag also features cleverly placed opening ports on the bottom, allowing you to enjoy your favorite tunes and answer calls while conquering challenging terrains. Therm-a-Rest NeoAir X Lite and XT, a true testament to the evolution of lightweight sleeping pads. Building upon the success of its predecessor, the X Lite, this remarkable sleeping pad is the epitome of technological expertise and outdoor sleep performance. It comes with a triangular core matrix construction and thermocapture technology, making it 6 times quieter than the original X Lite model. Plus, it offers luxurious comfort with an impressive 7.6 centimeter thickness. Whether you're a back, side, or stomach sleeper, this sleeping pad provides unparalleled support and cushioning, ensuring a restful slumber regardless of the season. weighing in at a mere 12.5 ounces. The X-Lite NXT offers enhanced comfort and superior performance without adding any unnecessary weight to your pack. The Giro FIXTURE MIPS 2 is a high-end cycling helmet designed to offer extra protection and confidence when tackling challenging trails. This helmet incorporates the multi-directional impact protection system, which effectively safeguards against rotational forces that could cause brain injuries. With a sleeker design and enhanced integration of the MIPS system, the helmet prioritizes safety. Additionally, it features reflective rear decals to enhance visibility in low-light conditions. Constructed with an in-mold polycarbonate shell and an EPS liner, the helmet provides durability and excellent impact absorption. This helmet boasts a visually appealing style and quick-dry padding for added comfort during rides. And the ROCKBROS Sport Fit system ensures a comfortable fit by allowing easy adjustments to suit individual preferences. Meet the Survivor Filter Pro X, an electric water filter for your bikepacking adventures. This portable electric water filter offers unparalleled convenience and versatility, allowing you to enjoy clean drinking water wherever the adventure takes you. Equipped with a plug, mobile charger, or 2AA battery compatibility, the Pro X ensures you have multiple power options to keep your filter running. No matter where you are, you can easily power up and enjoy the benefits of this innovative water filter. With the push of a button, it produces a rapid flow of 500 milliliters of filtered water per minute. This means you can quickly replenish your water supply during your bikepacking journey without wasting precious time. Designed with bikepackers in mind, the Survivor Filter Pro X is compact, lightweight, and built to withstand rugged conditions. The MSR WindBurner Stove system is a highly efficient and reliable cooking stove designed for outdoor enthusiasts, particularly solo bikepackers, who require a compact and windproof cooking solution. This stove combines the innovative reactor technology with several features that make it ideal for various outdoor activities, such as backcountry adventures and weekend camping trips. It features a radiant burner that delivers high-performance heating, allowing it to boil water quickly and efficiently. The system is specifically engineered to withstand windy conditions that can hinder the performance of conventional burners. It includes a compact and lightweight pot with an integrated heat exchanger. Thanks to its efficient design and powerful burner, the WindBurner stove can rapidly boil water, allowing you to quickly prepare meals and hot drinks. Prepare to make a statement as you conquer the trails with the Dakota helmet, the ultimate fusion of fashion and protection. This multifunction helmet is your perfect companion for bikepacking, skating, and roller skating adventures. Its sleek and fully formed ABS shell offers lightweight yet robust protection that will keep you safe on any terrain. The EPS foam lining is designed to absorb impact energy, providing an extra layer of defense. Stay comfortable and secure with adjustable straps and a no-chafing chin pad that ensure a snug fit. Plus, with 2 sets of interchangeable pads, you can customize the helmet to achieve the perfect fit for your bikepacking escapades. With 10 vents strategically placed for optimal airflow, this helmet keeps you cool and refreshed throughout your journey. Looking for a convenient and compact way to carry your essentials on your bikepacking adventures? Here's the Racetop 2 Bag Short. This durable and waterproof bag is designed to fit securely on your bike's top tube, providing easy access to your snacks, phone, and other essentials. It's made from high-quality materials, including waterproof fabric, ensuring your belongings stay dry in any weather. It is incredibly lightweight, weighing only 120 grams. It's also adjustable, so you can customize the fit to your bike. The bag has a rigid internal structure, keeping it upright and stable even on rough terrain. Inside the bag, you'll find a spacious main compartment with a padded base to protect your belongings. There's also a stretch mesh side pocket for storing smaller items like gels or energy bars. The bag is compatible with most bike frames. Let's end today's list with the Pro Bike Tool. This 20-in-1 multi-tool is great for on-the-go repairs and adjustments. This purpose-built mechanic multi-tool is designed to withstand the demands of bikepacking adventures. With precision CNC machined steel tool bits and a lightweight aluminum body, it guarantees reliability, durability, and portability. Measuring just 1.7 inches wide and 2.8 inches long, and weighing a mere 4.0 ounces, this slim, compact, and lightweight multi-tool is the perfect companion for bikepackers who value efficiency without sacrificing space or weight. Be prepared for any on-ride mishaps with its astonishing versatility, as it covers a wide range of functions to tackle most repairs and adjustments you may encounter on the open road or trail. And there you have it, folks. Gear that keeps you comfortable and safe on the trail, while also improving your bikepacking experience. Whether you're tackling rugged trails or cruising through scenic routes, having reliable gear can turn a good trip into a great one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with fellow adventurers.